In Baselworld 2015, Rolex released the Yacht-Master 40, reference 116655. This was a unique addition to the Yacht-Master series, featuring a black Cerachrome ceramic insert on the bezel and the introduction of the Oyster Flex bracelet, a strap made of high-performance elastomer with a folding Oyster Lock safety clasp. 40mm in diameter, 48mm lug-to-lug, 11mm in case height, and powered by the ROLEX Calibre 3135 automatic movement with a 48-hour power reserve. Made of solid 18-karat Everose gold, this Yacht-Master weighed in at 5.5 ounces. With its combination of precious metal, ceramic material, and elastomer, it gave this Rolex a perfect balance of elegance, nautical functionality, and sport comfort. In 2019, Rolex released the Yacht-Master 42, reference 226659. A completely redesigned Yacht-Master, made of solid 18-karat white gold, now 42mm in diameter, 50mm lug-to-lug, and 12mm in case height, now weighing in at 6.1 ounces. Powered by the Rolex Calibre 3235 automatic movement with a power reserve of 70 hours. The highly legible dial is decorated with 18-karat white gold hour markers and hands with blue chromolite luminescence. The case is constructed out of solid 18-karat white gold, featuring a sapphire crystal with a cyclops over the date and a triplock screw-down crown, water-resistant to 100 meters. The bidirectional rotatable bezel is white gold with a matte black Cerachrome ceramic insert with polished, raised numerals and graduations, and the Oyster Flex bracelet equipped with stabilizer cushions for added comfort and a solid white gold folding Oyster Lock safety clasp with a glide lock system for quick and easy adjustments. In the watch world, another 2mm is a significant difference in size. Side by side, the Yacht-Master 42 does have a stronger presence on the average wrist. Either way, both are fine examples of iconic, functional sport luxury watches. So which Yacht-Master do you prefer? Leave a comment below and let us know. And as always, shop at DavidSW.com for trusted online watch sales.